The idea of searching for life on exoplanets has always been thrilling for scientists. The highly advanced James Webb Telescope serves exactly this purpose. After providing the first ever original picture of a black hole, the James Webb Telescope is at it again. But this time, its discovery is more scary than fascinating. So what exactly did the James Webb Telescope discover on Proxima B? Is scientists' purpose of sending it to this Earth-like exoplanet finally successful, or did it entirely turn the tables around? In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the details released by James Webb around the Proxima B planet. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then hit the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell to always stay updated with our uploads. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Stephen Hawking has often mentioned it in his books that the probability of finding aliens on exoplanets is as normal as us surviving on Earth. Through several years now, scientists have been trying to prove this theory right. A lot of missions and expeditions in search of extraterrestrial lives has advanced through the years. Apart from that, scientists are also intrigued to find another Earth-like planets that would act as a backup just in case. Till now, Mars is the closest planet to Earth that has the potential to support life under optimum temperature and pressure. Elon Musk's colonization of Mars plan revolves around this concept. He is trying to build an entire community of astronauts surviving in Mars, just to know the possibilities of my existence over there. The recent discoveries from the James Webb Telescope regarding the exoplanets are set to change scientists' entire outlook on these missions. Will it change our approach towards considering Mars as the most habitable planet? Is Proxima B really that similar to our blue planet? Let's find out. Elon Musk's Mars colonization mission aims at establishing a human base camp on the red planet. Being closely situated to Earth in our solar system, Mars has quite similar atmospheric conditions. It was one of the first planets where water was found in a solid and vapor state. Not a lot of people know, but there are several other planets in the observable universe that have the potential to support life. These planets are called exoplanets. They not only revolve around a different star other than the Sun, they are also situated at entirely different solar systems and galaxies. Studying exoplanets is not as easy as it sounds. There are a lot of reasons behind it, like they're very far away, and we lack sufficient resources to monitor them throughout. Just like our planet, they have their own atmospheres composed of unknown elements. Lastly, if we know, an object can be seen only when light falls on it. The stars constituting such solar systems are not bright enough to let the observers see the planets clearly. Due to the dim lights, it is extremely difficult for any space probe to closely generate any kind of survey on these exoplanets. They do not only have a different source of energy in their solar systems, these exoplanets are much different from Earth in their constituents too. Scientists believe that most of these could be constituted of gas, like the giants Jupiter and Saturn, only with more mass. These exoplanets also have a different orbital pattern and rotational trends. The exoplanets are categorized based on their similarities with the planets of our solar system. For example, huge gas balls are called Jupiter-like exoplanets or super-Jupiter, while exoplanets having mass similar to Earth and Mars are called super-Earths. Super-Uranus and super-Neptune also exist in different solar systems. The terrestrial planets like Earth have plenty of water. There exists such similar exoplanets which are fully constituted of water known as ocean giants or even ice giants. The only reason these planets have interested the scientists is because their unique environmental conditions increase life expectancy. Out of all exoplanets, one planet has highly interested the scientists, the Proxima B megagiant. The Proxima B was discovered in 2016 using a highly advanced system of satellites. This planet revolves around a dim sun-like star called Proxima Centauri. It is the closest solar system to us, situated somewhat 4,200 miles away. Apart from Proxima B, another exoplanet from the same solar system, Proxima C, has also been discovered already. The alphabet in their name stands for the order of their discovery, not the distance from Proxima Centauri. If you are wondering where Proxima A is, then the megastar or the Centauri is the one. The Proxima Centauri is much smaller in mass and size than the Sun. It liberates a very dim red light. The reason behind the scientist discovering this particular solar system over others is because it is situated in the habitable zone of our universe. It is only 12.3% of the Sun's total mass and contains about 14% of its total energy. It is believed that the solar system is much older than ours, and their sun is slowly dying. It is also accused of releasing flares of solar radiation every now and then. Even though it is 129 times the size of Jupiter, it has a very high density. This is why the gravitational pull is much higher in the planets of the solar system as compared to ours. Proxima B, on the other hand, is situated pretty close to the Centauri. It is only 5% of the distance between Earth and Sun away from its central star. As a result, it completes one revolution in just 11.8 Earth days. Due to low temperature and high density, it is predicted that water should exist in liquid form on the Proxima B planet. Another reason why Earth is one of the only planets to support life is its angular distance from the Sun and its satellite moon. It means Earth has periodic effects of tidal forces from both Sun and Moon. Similarly, Proxima B also has a similar angular distance from the Sun. It means that it would have frozen regions and hot deserts at the same time, just like Earth. The James Webb Telescope also discovered that it will always have a similar angular orbital pattern to the Sun due to its distance. So if the solar radiation from Proxima Centauri could be used to generate solar energy on the planet instead. This discovery makes Proxima B one of the most similar to Earth planets in our entire universe until now. The James Webb Telescope also discovered huge flashes of light near Proxima B back in 2021, which has stirred a discussion in the laboratories. While scientists believe it could be an abundant satellite that Earth had sent, others believe it could be the action of any extraterrestrial beings. The Proxima B receives infrared radiation from its Centauri instead of visible light. This is the reason why the planet receives an adequate amount of radio waves and even convertible UV rays. The James Webb Telescope discovered a breakthrough in 2021, artificial light. This has stirred a debate and intrigued a series of further investigations in the Proxima B. These recent discoveries on the Proxima B planet could hint that Mars is not the only potential habitable planet of our universe. The James Webb Telescope has already contributed enough to know the dark secrets of the universe, and now this major discovery. Do you think the scientists can make more discoveries about this potential exoplanet? Will it have greater life expectancy than the red planet? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you liked our video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload new content to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.